If you are looking to get trained in generative AI for free with high quality instructors, then this course from Deep Learning and AWS is for you. They have just released this course today, which deals with everything generative AI with large language models. This course has been created by Deep Learning, as I said, in collaboration with AWS. It's a 3-week course which is designed to teach developers how to build and leverage powerful large language model applications. This course enables you to deeply understand Gen AI and describe the key steps in typical LLM-based generative AI lifecycle, from data gathering to model selection and to performance evaluation and deployment. You will also learn transformer architecture, that is the secret sauce behind large language models, and how LLMs are trained, how they're fine-tuned, and also prompt tuning, how prompt tuning works. You can also decide which LLM to use in which situation, and you will be applying state-of-the-art training, tuning, inference, and deployment, and a lot of other things. I will put the link to this course in video's description so that you could go in and enroll for free. This course is starting on June 29th, and you just have to sign up at Coursera's website. And just a huge shout out to all of these instructors. I have been following all four of them, and they are simply out of this world. Not only they are very knowledgeable in their domain, they are they really enjoy sharing their knowledge. And if you attend this course, you will realize how much generous they are. I have done a couple of trainings from deeplearning.ai with these instructors, and simply awesome, especially when they go into the detail what exactly is happening with these LLMs. They just because if you look at few of the other trainings on YouTube and at other locations, you will only learn how to write the prompts and stuff like that. I'm not undermining those trainings, but what I'm saying is that this training is next level. So if you're looking for one training um, for generative AI, this is the one in my humble opinion. Thanks for listening.